Alright guys, today we're working on this 370Z and we're going to be removing this door panel. Now on the 370Z, the convertible model versus the hardtop might be a little bit different. The panel might look a little bit different, but keep that in mind. So if you have a hardtop, it might be a little bit different, and it's okay because I'll walk you through the steps and it might get you close enough that you can remove this panel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start with the switch, and I'm gonna just use this little screwdriver and I'm gonna pop this up right here. Now these switches are very expensive. Keep that in mind when you're removing this. Be gentle with it, don't break them, because you will be paying an arm and a leg. So you remove the plugs. Of course, the plugs, you just press in on the tab and it releases, and I'm gonna press in on this tab and release the upper part, and this is for adjusting your mirrors. So the switch is out of the way. Now there's going to be hidden bolts all over here, so we're going to continue to remove some of these panels. All right, so now we're going to move on to the hidden panels, and there's going to be one right under here, right where this lever is, and we're just going to pop this out of the way. And let me move the camera so you can see. So right here, there's two 10 mils. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those right now. All right, now that we have that out of the way, there's gonna be one in this little panel, and some of you might have this panel, some of you might not have this panel. I don't remember if my hardtop has this little piece here. I would have to double check, but if it does, right underneath this airbag plastic piece, there's going to be some bolts. Basically what I did was I pushed from here and it just pops off just like that. So there's another 10 mil here. Okay, and then there is one right underneath this handle right here. It's hidden here, and it is another 10 mil. So you're gonna have two right here. So now that we have all the bolts loose and we have removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you have 5. We're gonna go ahead and pop this panel out of here. Now you're gonna be pulling out this way, and then you're gonna be lifting up. And guys, I am not in my shop, so I usually won't be using one of these spatulas, but I don't have a trim tool with me. So keep it in mind when you're removing this panel. You are gonna have to go behind it and like just wedge it underneath here, and then you're gonna pull forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so this panel actually just came right off. It usually sits right in this groove right in here. So whoever installed this last didn't set it in this groove. Usually you're able to pull it this way and then you lift up, but you saw how easy it just slung out. And that's because someone has been here before and they ran all sorts of LED lights, and here's the wiring. Here's the wires for that, for the LED lights that they had ran in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these cables, and we're gonna release everything in here, and we're gonna make our way towards the airbag. Remember, if you're doing this, disconnect your battery, because you don't wanna accidentally set off the airbag that's over here on this corner. So my battery has been disconnected for a while. Keep that in mind. And well, I can't really show you what just happened there because I simply removed it and it fell off. But this cable is going to be right in here, wedged like so. And once you pull it off of here, you usually have this little lever that it goes on here. Install it back again. So I don't know if the camera's picking this up. Usually you would have this cable something like this, and it'll be wedged in here. Once you pop it off of here, it is very easy to just remove this little piece. You can see it's got like a 90 right on it, and it hooks on that little plastic clip. And this one has a little ball, and usually it sits in this groove like this. You pop it out and the ball comes right out. It's very easy to do. You see it just kind of just falls apart when I was taking it apart. So very, very easy. Well, this next part can be a little bit tricky, and that's why I loosened this cable so I can maneuver this in a way where you can see. So I'm going to be using this little tiny flathead screwdriver, and basically I'm going to be popping up this little black piece, and once I have it done, I will show you it up close and personal in the camera. I'm going to make it a point so you guys can see, because this little thing can be tricky. So you're going to have to use a very small screwdriver and just lift from this little piece right here, and you're going to have to lift up. Unless you do what I'm explaining, you will not be able to pull this out of here. So I'm going to put it back in there, and you can see I'm going to lift up again right here, right in this spot, and then I could pull it out. Unless you do that, you will not be able to get it out. So